I'm Wendell Covington, Executive Director of the VP Community Impact Foundation. And we are so excited about the work that we're doing here today, supporting Mission St. Louis and their Affordable Christmas. Under the VP Community Impact Foundation, we have 3 pillars that we support the community on. Our Community Service Initiative, which you see right here with our bike build. We're building new bicycles for worthy young people in the St. Louis metropolitan area. We also support nonprofits through board leadership, and then we also support the community through mentoring. This is an awesome opportunity for the VP to give back to the community and ensure that every young person has a wonderful Christmas. And more importantly, they get an opportunity to ride bicycles that contributes to healthy living and health and wellness. And so we've been supported by Big Shark Bike Company, who provided the bicycles, and then we have a myriad of volunteers who are actually assembling all these bicycles, and we will be delivering them to Mission St. Louis during their Affordable Christmas event in December. So we'd like to thank all of our sponsors, all of our volunteers, all of our contributors, and we want to give a special thanks to the CSI committee for pulling this all together.
Hi there, I'm Jack with Big Shark Bikes. We're down here at the Den in Midtown with VP. They've purchased 100 bikes that we're helping assemble with the help of volunteers behind me. Their Den is only 100 yards, 200 yards away from our new Foundry location here in Midtown. We're building these bikes for Mission St. Louis. Big Shark likes to have a lot of community involvement, and we do a lot of projects like this around the area.
This is amazing. Amazing. This is so crowded. It's awesome. VP St. Louis is here today helping volunteer at Mission St. Louis's Affordable Christmas. We have a group of volunteers that have been working for several weeks, putting together bikes, providing assistance to Josh and his mission here. And as you can see from the room, the need is great, and we're happy that we can be a part of it. VP St. Louis has been a part of this event for many years, and over the last couple of years we've noticed that a lot of times the bikes will just be handed to their family in a box. Last year we realized that really isn't the best way to do it, so we saw a need. We came together as a community. We built 100 bikes, we paid for 100 bikes, and Big Shark, vendor of choice. The bikes are of great quality, and we're excited to be a part, even in a small part, of this incredible community Christmas event here at Mission St. Louis.